Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find channel permission settings on your accounts on Discord, easy and quick. First hold on it like this, and here you will find edit channel, click on it, and here as you see you will find channel permissions, click on it, and that's how to find permissions, channel permissions settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.